In this next series on Law Made Simple, Q&A with Joshua Irvine, we will talk about the legal questions that matter most to you. Got legal questions? The law doesn't have to be intimidating. Joshua takes your questions and breaks them down with clear, easy-to-follow insights, making the law simple, practical, and easy to understand.
Why do contractors sometimes lose their lien rights, and what simple steps can prevent this from happening?
Yeah, contractors are unique that they have these construction lien rights. The reason why many of them lose those rights is because they are unaware of the procedures and the deadlines involved in the enforcing and protecting those rights, which usually kind of comes down to what I just mentioned, where they don't have a good system around how to do those things, how to start the process of filing the necessary notices, how to follow it up, how to make sure they don't miss deadlines in the future to foreclose and protect those rights. It's usually just not knowing how to do things. It's not because they're unintelligent. It's just, I didn't know I was supposed to do it that way. I mean, frankly, a lot of people I know are super smart in their businesses, but these are small things that are easy to forget, easy to not remember, and are perfect for having systems. So whether that's a system that you design internally or whether you hire a company to help your company do those things. Like I literally was talking to a construction company yesterday. They're a $20 million a year company, and yet they don't have a good system around their liens, which sounds silly, but because it's just such a simple thing to overlook. And so they reached out and said, hey, will your team handle this? And of course, we're happy to help. We're also happy to teach them how to do it themselves. We don't need to be everything, but that's our approach. And in my opinion, the reason why contractors miss lien rights, I would say just more generally, the reason why anybody misses the ability to enforce things is usually there's some deadline tracking that needs a system in order to manage it. I had this teacher in high school that I really liked, and he used to say all the time, the palest ink is better than the strongest memory. And a lot of times people try to remember all these moving deadlines, moving parts, and we forget one, and it's always the one we forgot that's the one that bites us. So it's just how it goes.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, I love that because, not that I'm a note taker or anything, right?
Yeah.
All right.